Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Msr Fuel is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any serious outdoor enthusiast, offering unparalleled performance and reliability when you're miles away from civilization. Whether you're scaling a mountain peak, trekking through a dense forest, or simply enjoying a quiet night under the stars, having a dependable fuel source for your stove can make the difference between a triumphant adventure and a cold, uncomfortable experience. This fuel is engineered to perform in a wide range of temperatures and altitudes, ensuring your meals are cooked and your water is boiled, no matter the conditions. Number 5. GasOne Camping Fuel Blend Isobutane Fuel Canister 100G, 4-pack. Introducing the GasOne Camping Fuel Blend Isobutane Fuel Canister, a convenient 4-pack designed for your outdoor adventures. Each canister is packed with high-performance fuel. This fuel blend guarantees high-quality performance for all your cooking and backpacking needs. Its unique composition ensures consistent cooking pressure, even in colder weather conditions. Designed with a universal screw-on fitting, it seamlessly connects with a wide variety of standardized isobutane stoves and burners. Enjoy compatibility with your existing outdoor equipment. Measuring at a compact 3.5 by 2.8 inches, it's easy to store and transport. The included snug plastic cap ensures a leak-free seal for safe and proper storage when not in use. Thanks to its mixture with propane, it provides higher vapor pressure. This allows it to perform reliably in diverse and colder weather conditions, making it your go-to fuel. What we like. This fuel canister offers a convenient 4-pack, ensuring you have enough fuel for multiple trips. Its all-season blend guarantees performance even in colder weather. If you are looking for a reliable fuel source that works in diverse conditions and fits most stoves, this is a great choice. What people say. Stacks well and takes up little room in storage. Great for emergency supplies, a car kit, adds little weight to a backpack and is perfect for 1 to 2 person adventure into the woods for a day hike when packing a larger stove and fuel canister would be heavier weight than necessary. The canister is wide enough to support a small pot without tipping over. One canister can easily last 3 to 4 days worth of cooking for one person. File burns clean and hot. Number 4. Msr Dragonfly Compact Liquid Fuel Stove. Experience precise simmer-to-boil control with its unique dual-valve design. This allows you to adjust the flame exactly how you need it for any cooking situation. Cook for your whole group with ease. Its extra-wide pot supports can accommodate pots and pans up to 10 inches in diameter, providing excellent stability. Enjoy a hot and strong burn thanks to the efficient suspended burner cup design. This innovative feature minimizes heat loss to the ground, maximizing performance. When not in use, it folds down to a third of its working size. It conveniently fits inside a 2-liter pot, making storage and transport a breeze. Keep it running smoothly wherever your adventures take you. Shaker jet technology and smart engineering allow for complete cleaning and maintenance right in the field. This stove comes complete with a fuel pump, windscreen, heat reflector, and a small parts kit. It's ready to go, weighing in at just 14.1 ounces. What we like. Experience unparalleled flame control with its dual-valve design, perfect for delicate simmering. The extra-wide pot supports offer stability for larger cookware, making it ideal for group meals. If you prioritize precise cooking and need a stove that handles various pot sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. Multi-fuel capability, white gas, unleaded gas, kerosene, diesel, and jet fuel. There should never be a problem finding fuel whether you're backpacking or dealing with a power outage. Adjustable output, appreciate that flexibility for saving fuel and cooking meals. Stability, large, stable pot supports give peace of mind that my dinner won't end up being seasoned with dirt and leaves. Number 3. Msr WhisperLite Universal Camping Stove. Introducing the Msr WhisperLite Universal, the ultimate stove for your camping and backpacking trips. It's designed to be incredibly lightweight and stable, making it easy to carry and reliable in any situation. Experience top-notch performance thanks to its patent-pending air control technology. This innovative system creates the optimal fuel-air mix, ensuring efficient burning with various fuel types like canister fuel, white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gasoline. Enjoy better cold weather and low fuel performance with its unique canister liquid feed. You'll get a more consistent output throughout the life of each canister, ensuring reliable heat when you need it most. Switching between fuel types is a breeze. It features liquid and canister fuel couplers that pair with fuel-specific jets for quick and easy transitions, so you can adapt to any fuel availability. Cleaning and maintenance are simple, even when you're out in the wild. The self-cleaning shaker jet technology and redesigned leg assembly allow for fast cleaning and easy upkeep, keeping you cooking without hassle. This stove comes complete with a fuel pump, windscreen, heat reflector, small parts kit, and a PFAS-free stuff sack. It's proudly made in the USA and designed for minimal weight and compact storage. What we like. This stove offers incredible versatility, running on multiple fuel types including canisters and liquid fuels like white gas. Its lightweight construction and stable legs make it easy to carry and set up. If you value adaptability and need a reliable stove that can be easily maintained in the field, this is an excellent option. What people say. The fuel canister is designed to be stable and easy to handle. It provides a consistent flame output, even in windy conditions. The fuel burns cleanly, leaving no residue in the stove. Number 2. Msr Liquid Fuel Stove Replacement Fuel Pump. Introducing the lightest and most reliable fuel pump available. It's redesigned to enhance the performance of all Msr liquid fuel stoves. Experience unmatched durability with this essential accessory. It's built to last through all your adventures. Field maintenance is now easier than ever. Keep your stove running smoothly, wherever you are. Enjoy superior flame control for more cooking options. Prepare your favorite meals with precision. Proudly made in the USA, this pump ensures quality and reliability for your Msr stove. This pump is specifically compatible with the Msr Dragonfly stove, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. What we like. This is the lightest and most reliable pump designed to significantly improve your Msr liquid fuel stove's performance. It offers unmatched durability and easier field maintenance. If you own an Msr liquid fuel stove and want to ensure optimal performance and longevity, this pump is a must-have upgrade. What people say. The Msr fuel bottle is designed to be compatible with Msr stoves, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. It features a wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning, and the durable aluminum construction can withstand rough handling. The bottle is lightweight and compact, making it convenient for backpacking and travel. Number 1. Msr Annual Maintenance Kit for Liquid Fuel Camping Stoves. Ensure your liquid fuel stove and pump are always ready for adventure. This kit provides everything needed for annual maintenance, guaranteeing lasting reliability in the field. Designed to work seamlessly with all Msr liquid fuel stoves. This includes popular models like the WhisperLite series and the XGKEX. The kit contains all the crucial components for upkeep. You'll find O-rings, a safety pin, a jet and cable tool, and pump cup oil. Weighing only 1.3 ounces, this kit won't add unnecessary bulk to your gear. It's built to last, just like your stove. Crafted with quality and care in the USA. Trust in the durability and performance of this essential maintenance kit. What we like. This kit provides everything needed for annual maintenance, ensuring your liquid fuel stove and pump remain reliable in the field. It's compatible with all Msr liquid fuel stoves. If you want to proactively maintain your stove and prevent issues on your adventures, this comprehensive kit is essential. What people say. This kit has the most seals of any I believe, and at an excellent price. The little box is quite small, and great for holding other repair stuff. An excellent purchase to revitalize your pump. Basic and includes all the parts to maintain the gaskets and most replaceable hardware on most Msr stoves. I have a 24-year-old XGK and the kit's got me up and running again in a few minutes. My WhisperLite is over 20 years old and has new O-rings put in it till now. The kit makes it very easy to do maintenance. The little wrench worked great for removing the jet and the safety pin helped clean the jet out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.